Installing a support baffle. Push the support baffle until the pins on the support baffle are inserted into the corresponding holes on the expansion kit. Fasten the 4 screws and make sure the support baffle is fully secured. Install the PCIe adapter if needed. Align the 4 screw slots on the expansion top cover with the expansion kit, and then fasten the screws to secure the top cover to the expansion kit. With the bottom side of the node facing up, fasten the 4 screws on the bottom of the expansion kit. Install the expansion kit to the node